Right. So big data now is used by many different organizations. I mean, there's one example that I really like is how big data is being used, for example, to analyze traffic patterns, like how the cities get like packed with traffic, optimizing the routing of when you navigate in your car. This is a great example of how when you analyze the data collected by every single car, you can optimize what is the best way to get to a location. So nowadays only like really big companies can perform this type of analysis. I mean, we talk about Google, Nokia, but this type of technology is now becoming available to anybody. And this is something like, this is going to produce a huge impact, I think, on everybody's lives. Sure. So my first recommendation is don't get caught by the hype. That's the first thing. And there's so much hype right now probably on the big data technology stack that my first advice is just like think on your use cases. Think on what you really want to do. Think about like your business and think about what type of analysis you can make with your data. So the best probably advice I'd say is this concept of try to be a more data-driven company. Try to collect as much data as you can about how you perform your business, about your clients, etc. And then use it leverage it for actually improving your business. And then look at what are the technologies that you can use. Just don't get into the technologies straight away. Think on the use cases before you actually think on the particular technology. Well, I think this is a great conference. I think like the fact that we have international speakers here mixed with with a lot of companies and like people that normally don't talk to each other. Big data is a very horizontal market. Like every company can use big data, and having a forum like Big Data Spain, I think is a great win for the Spanish economy.